is Gwen Moore, and as your Congresswoman, I want you to know how happy I am to be able to appear in person for this celebration after our long COVID recess. As your federal representative, I am so happy to announce that I now represent parts of West Allis. And so if you live in this area and are new constituents, I want you to know that the door is wide open to our office to provide you with the services that you deserve. Our office is always happy to answer questions around immigration issues which may have an impact on our mall community. But I would be remiss if I did not talk about the long-term friendship and love we have for the Hmong people, because we'll never forget that Hmong people were allies of the United States, and now you're our brothers and sisters right here in Wisconsin. I am so proud that Wisconsin is home to the Hmong community only behind California and Minnesota. You have added so much to our culture here in Wisconsin. How do I look, everybody? Do I look beautiful or not? I want you to know that as your Congresswoman, I am so proud that the 18 clans that have settled here are exemplary in terms of demonstrating what it is like to form families, keep those families together. One of the reasons that in my stewardship, I am so happy that we had been able to pass the child tax credit to make sure we provide a supplement for children and families. I'm going to keep working hard to restore that and make that a permanent feature of our economy. And last, before I leave the stage, I want to mention that I'm working on a bipartisan basis with another member of Congress, another member from Wisconsin, Representative Glenn Grothman, on providing the Hmong Gold Medal to celebrate and honor our brothers and sisters in the Hmong community. I want to thank Monet. I want to thank the American Friendship Association, all of the hard work that you do. Happy New Year, and let the party begin.
Ooh, she's so energetic.
Please give a hand of applause again for Congress Gwen.